Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best gold trading brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Trading gold is much like trading Forex. If you use a spread betting platform, a gold trading strategy can include a mix of fundamental, sentimental, or technical analysis. Advanced gold traders recognize that the yellow metal is priced in US dollars and will account for its trend in their gold analysis. As such, gold has always been considered a safe haven investment, as well as an important part of any well-diversified investment portfolio. As part of any gold trading strategy, it is crucial to conduct your trading using a reputable and effective broker. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best gold trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss is a European brokerage firm that was established in 2012 in Switzerland. The company has a reach that spans over 125 countries, with a client base of over 1 million registered accounts. BDSwiss offers traders the opportunity to trade an array of financial instruments, such as currencies, stocks, commodities, indices, and more. Their accounts are available on Demo, Classic, VIP, and Raw spread accounts. With lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, live support, daily analysis, free live webinars, access to over 250 instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, BDSwiss WebTrader, and their Mobile Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. BDSwiss also provides their very own educational research and learning panels, which cover daily videos, daily market analysis, technical analysis, Forex educational ebooks, beginner Forex lessons, a variety of live educational videos, as well as seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with BDSwiss. At number 4 on our list is VantageFX. VantageFX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With VantageFX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. VantageFX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the VantageFX mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, Raw, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. VantageFX also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with VantageFX. Coming in at number 3 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts, with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is Plus500. Plus500 is a popular online trading broker which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions and offers sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, to ensure that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers a variety of popular trading strategies and guides to help you with any additional education that you might be looking for. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best gold trading brokers, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts, with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Tickmill. And those are some of the top 5 best gold trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.